To download and install the HP Laser MFP 135w printer driver, follow these steps. Go to the HP support website and enter HP Laser MFP 135w in the search box. Select your operating system from the list of options and click on Download next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, connect your HP Laser MFP 135w printer to your computer using a USB cable or over a wireless network. Your computer should automatically detect and install the necessary drivers for your printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your HP Laser MFP 135w printer to your computer. Once your printer is added, you should be able to print documents from any application on your computer.